Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create menu in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So as you can see, right now I don't have any menu in my WordPress website. So now let's create a menu. Click on customize, then click on menus, create new menu, and I'm selecting primary menu because the menu will be my primary menu, and I'm giving name here. Next, add items, and now I'm adding item in my menu, and here you can see items have been added. Now I'm clicking on publish, and then here we can see a menu has been created on my WordPress website. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.